the difference. Oil, intimacy, preparation. Are you prepared? Or are you asleep, waiting to escape? Revelation does not show a church that has been removed before the battle. It shows the saints, the remnant, who overcame by the blood of the Lamb, the word of their testimony, and their refusal to love their lives even unto death. This is not a metaphor. This is the blueprint. Those who endure are those who reign. Those who stand are those who receive the crown. And those who love not their lives are the ones who receive the kingdom. So here is another question. Have you surrendered everything to our Lord? Or are you still negotiating the terms of your obedience? Have you truly said, Lord, whatever it costs, I will follow you? Or are you hoping to escape before that vow is tested? Because let me tell you, the time is coming. And it is even now at the door when every hidden thing will be revealed. When the faith of millions will be exposed for what it truly is. When cheap grace will be consumed by holy fire. This is not the time to run from tribulation. It is time to prepare your heart for it. It is the time to dig your roots deep, to build your relationship with the Lord, to know the word, to walk in purity, to resist sin, to worship in truth, to forsake compromise, and put on the whole armor of God. Because what is coming will not be endured by those who are merely entertained by church. It will only be endured by those who are crucified with Christ. You are not being called to fear tribulation. You are being called to overcome it. And you overcome not by escaping, but by abiding. Not by flight, but by faith. Not by fantasy, but by fire. And in that fire, the bride is made ready. It is that fire the real church will rise, and the fakes will fall off. So I ask you again, will you be found faithful when the fire comes? Or will you still be clinging to the hope of an escape? Ask yourself that.